Now I'm going to show you how to take this Sharpie and take it right here and vanish it right before your eyes. Now, if you want to know how to do that, subscribe and ring the bell so you can know how to vanish things just like this, playing cards, or just about anything else that I can think of. And let's get into this video right now. So once you've got your Sharpie, all you're going to do is you're going to take it here and you're going to put it in this position. This is a move called Flipstick. So you're going to have your thumb in the back, middle finger in the front, and your index finger to the right of that, just to the edge. You're going to have this on both sides. Now, when you're doing this move, what you're going to be doing is you're basically just going to be taking it here and snapping. Now, clearly as a magician, you probably do that a lot anyways. Sorry, magician jokes. So you're going to be taking it here and you're going to be snapping with only one side, and that'll be taking it and pulling it back to where it's now behind your hand like this. If you have large sleeves, you can then sleeve it if you want to, but for the purpose of this, we're not going to be working on sleeving. So you're going to be taking it here, and normally what I like to do is I like to move it around once or twice so that you can see it's truly a normal Sharpie. I could hand it out, take it from a spectator, and once you have it here, you can just take it. I go 1, 2, and then on the third one, I will drop. As I'm coming down, as I'm dropping, I'm going to be doing the Flipstick move to use the bigger motion and the smaller motion to be covered up. Okay, so this is the bigger motion that you're going to have to do. Big motion is going to cover the smaller motion, but as they go together, it's going to cover it up nicely. So it's here, 1, 2, 3, and then it's just completely gone. Now, clearly at this point, you do have it in this side, so you have a couple of options. Option number 1, you're either just going to say, I'm just kidding, it's right here. Option number 2, you can't have it sleeved. Option number 3, usually what I do is after I'm done, take it here and I vanish it. What I'm going to do is, because obviously it's over here at this point, I'm going to put my fingers together. I'm going to have it here, like right here, just like normal. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer it over to this left side. Now the way that I do it is I take my ring finger and I push it out. Okay, so on this side I'm taking it here and I'm pushing my ring finger to the other side to move it to the left side. Okay, now so I'm taking it here and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to open it up so they see there's nothing on this side. Just taking like your number 3. Got you. So I can just pretend like I'm hitting you for now. But you're taking it here, showing this side, and then as you're coming down, you're going to be doing that move. So you're going to move it over to the left side. That way now you can show this hand freely. As you come down, you transfer it over. Now you can show this hand freely. And for the last time, once you transfer it over, now when you pull this out, you can make it look like you're pulling it out of the left hand, okay? So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and vanish. It's in the right hand. Come together, show left, transfer, show right, transfer, show left, transfer, show right, and pull it out of the left side. Absolutely gorgeous, super fun way, and next time I'll show you guys how to do a pen switch where it looks like it changes colors from black to red or red to black or any other thing that you want to do. So if someone says, hey, I need a pen, but you only have a marker, then you can do this quick switch and then you will have a pen. Okay, I'll teach you guys that next time. So if you want to be notified when that video drops, subscribe and ring the bell so you can get notified when it does. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Card Perfect, signing off.